Justin's getting the lead. We're doing box open challenge with PJ Mask.
PJ Mask?
Welcome back to my channel. Hit the bell down below.
Who's your partner in crime?
Mickey Mouse and Mickey Mouse.
All right.
Raptor.
Raptors.
No, that's Raptor Blue.
Oh, and then who's that over there? Oh, is that
Lightning McQueen?
Is that Lightning McQueen?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Let's put on the magic bracelets.
Let's go.
Here you go. So you got Catboy. Say thank you. And Tommy has Gekko.
Let's get started.
Okay, we don't want to get
My Ninja or Lunago or Romeo.
right.
Or it's Sticky Splat.
Yeah. Hey, Justin, you're the first one up. Go ahead.
I'm going Raptor.
Okie dokie.
Oh no!
Bump, bump, bump. Okay, so -1 for Justin. Tommy's turn. Tommy's turn.
Tommy got
What is that? Oh,
Yeah!
oh, we got the good stuff. Got the cookies?
Yeah.
Okay, let's eat them. Okay? Okay, so we got +1 for Tommy, and now it's Justin's turn. Go ahead, Justin, go ahead.
Oh, yay! I got cars! Beep, beep.
And what kind of cars are they?
Catboy, owlette, gekko. No. Owlette. And gekko and gekko. 1, 2, gekko. Beep, beep. 1, 2, 3. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Go. Egg.
We have Gekko and Owlette mobiles. And Catboy.
Owlette.
Owlette's the winner. Okay, so that was 1 point for Justin. So now you're at 0. So it's 1 Tommy, 0 Justin. Tommy, it's your turn. Go ahead.
Yes!
What'd you get? Oh no, -1. Now it's 0, 0. What did you get?
Luna girl.
We got a Luna girl.
And
Oh no. So it's 0, 0. It's Justin's turn. Go ahead.
I'm not gonna splash. Yay!
What did you get?
Catboy and Gekko.
Have.
Here's his little diamond with his little grabber.
Oh, it's a little accessory, right? To his little. What is this? A motorcycle?
Yeah.
Let me see. What is this? A motorcycle?
Yeah.
Accessory.
Oh,
Diamond
like
accessory.
claw?
Yeah.
The claw. And here's little Gekko's little walkie-talkie. And here's Gekko. Where he has his little button.
See the accessory. Can I see the accessory?
Yeah. No.
It's the little walkie-talkie?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 1-0. 1 Justin, 0 Tommy. Tommy, it's your turn. Go ahead. Pick one.
You picked that one, right?
It's your turn, Tommy. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, yay! Got a soap!
What'd you get? Oh, yay! Nice, nice. We got PJ Masks Soap and Scrub. Tommy, good job. So it's 1-1. 1 Justin, 1 Tommy.
My turn.
Okay, so it's 1-1. 1 Justin, 1 Tommy. Let's see what you get.
How
Go ahead.
Oh no!
Oh no, what did you get?
Night
Ninja's car. Alright, so that's a -1, so it's 0. Justin got 0.
And Tommy got 0.
And Tommy got 1. Okay, go ahead, Tommy, your turn. It's Tommy's turn. Go. Oh, wow.
Oh no!
Yay!
No!
That's a good thing.
Wait, how many?
You got all the Catboy vehicles. Yay, Tommy. So Tommy's got 2. Tommy's got 2 and Justin's got 0. Come on, Justin. Let's get something good, okay? Go ahead, Justin. What'd you get?
Catboy and owlette and gekko.
Awesome. Let's see them. Okay, so right now Tommy is winning. Tommy has 2. Justin has 1. It's Tommy's turn. Go ahead, Tommy. See which one you want.
Oh no! It looks like something. Oh no!
Go ahead, Tommy. Go.
You got gekko! You got gekko!
Yay!
Another point.
Yay, you got the gekko. So another point for Tommy. 3 Tommy. 1 Justin. Come on. We got the PJ Masks light up racer. We got gekko versus Catboy. Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on, Justin. Let's see what you got here. Woo! You got a good one. That's the bonus. You get 2 for that. We got the PJ Masks headquarter rocket right here. It's your turn. 1 more box. It is 3-3. 1 more. Let's see. Is it a naughty ninja? Or is it a good one? So it's 4 Tommy, 3 Justin. No, that's okay. You're excited your brother won. I love it. Yay, Tommy. Let's see what it does. What does it do? Yay! We have the PJ Masks Hero and Sound Amulet. It's Catboy, right?
Super Cat jump to the cat car! Super Cat yay! Super Cat jump! Super Cat
Hey.
We have PJ Masks Headquarters.
Okay, I'll go over on Catboy. Catboy!
We have a little elevator here. Whee! Show me gekko. Who's that?
Well, look. See? Oh, look.
I see.
Nan.
Night night, gekko goes night night.
Nan. Come. Gekko. What's wrong? Honey. Look.
Really cool.
Wait, did Tommy get this?
What is that? We got a loofah, right?
Yeah, loofah.
The Catboy loofah.
Catboy loofah.
We got body wash. Shampoo.
More.